So, floor is all done, as in prepped and everything. Don't mind the colors. That's all spray painted. That's the only paint I had left. So we covered everything up. Everything came out pretty good. You can see all the grip. What was it called? Grip fill. Yeah, grip fill was all covered up now. Now everything's all dry, so that works. That's my electrics. I need to figure out still how I want things done. Trudy is cleaning the walls. Just from some stuff. I did clean the walls last week, but we had so much dust and stuff. We're just going to keep wiping down real quick and then start putting in the sound dampening stuff. But I thought it would be much bigger than this. I'm not sure. That's the brand. I thought it was going to be, you know, a bit bigger than A4, but that's what it is. So we'll get this on. But at the same time, we don't have much metal. I mean, all we have really is there. And then the other side of that, because the roof is fiberglass and you don't need the soundproof stuff on fiberglass. And we have so many windows that it's not going to fit much on that either. So we'll just crack on now. This is Trudy peeling off the sound dampening stuff. So it says put it on the roof as well, but again, we don't have a metal roof. So Trudy just peeling off, and she's going to whack it on the wall and then press it down.
That's all we need to do, isn't it?
And then that's about it. So I'll show you a better angle in a minute. Sounds noisier. Right, so this is another angle. What we're doing, we've got plenty of these. So basically we're just gonna put one above, one or below that indent there, and then go all the way across. Pretty easy. If I can find the links to this stuff, because I bought this a while ago, I'll post them below. Also, I'll start making an Amazon list so you can find everything we use in these video series there to help you guys out. So hopefully we're doing this correctly, just one each side. All you have to do is 50% of it, I was told. So we're just putting one on each side of the bumps there. Still, so this is nearer the end. I think Trudy did a good job. Might be asking, why is she doing this and not me?
Because he's lazy.
No, I'm old.
You take the mick out of my age.
Yeah, I got brain trauma. So yeah, so we're just finishing up now. Right, so now we just have the wheels to do. So that's gonna be probably the more trickier part. So now we get to see Trudy get frustrated. All right, so for the wheels, what we have left, we're gonna put 6 per side for the wheels, and then we have like 1 and 2 half bits left, which we could just cut and put behind the wheels. So we're just going to well, Trudy's just going to do this now, and then she can do little slits so it goes down a bit better. Yeah. They keep saying cut triangles and then fold them over and stuff like that, but yeah, and do it that way, and then that way the wheel's covered. Some say that the wheels are the most noisiest bit. Like I said, we're still new at this. I don't understand, because if the van's moving, there's not going to be obvious noise behind the van with everything moving, shaking, you know, your kitchen stuff, anything that's loose. So I don't know, if we're stopped still, they're saying that that's supposed to not be as noisy from hearing noise outside, which we'll have to see. But again, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. At least the hammering is to a beat, so it's techno, 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 techno. Oof, 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 oof. Right, so as Trudy's working on this one, You can see she's just anything that's sticking out, she's just cutting and then just cutting it again and then pressing it down. I shall zoom in for you. This is how we're looking.
Very good one.
I don't know, as long as it's covered, you can do that. That counts. No one's gonna see it. And Trudy's putting on the last bit here.
Take it off. Put it back on again.
So I would say that's over 50% of it covered. Good amount. And then any leftover scraps we have, we'll just cover up the spots that we didn't do. I use the word we because it's a team effort. And then we just got the one side left, and then I think we're gonna glue the wood to the floor down today, let that set, and then start getting the foam tomorrow and just use up what we have so nothing's in our way because we don't have any other storage space for anything really. So here you have it, one covered wheels arch. Is it wheel arch?
Yeah.
Yeah, wheel arch. So I think Tree did a good job on that. Really good, and any excess we had, we just popped on the wall. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. At the moment, we're just prepping the floor for some beams. Yep. Catch you next video, guys. Bye.